If you throw a pencil at a wall, the effect will definitely be much different than that of throwing a chair. But why so? If we assume that both objects are thrown at the same speeds, then the chair has a much higher momentum than a pencil. Momentum is defined as the quantity of motion an object has. This is represented by the formula momentum is mass into velocity. Therefore, the higher the mass and the higher the velocity of an object, the greater is the object's momentum. The change in momentum of an object is called its impulse. Impulse is the difference of an object's final momentum, mv, subtracted by its initial momentum, mu, giving the formula mv minus mu. Another formula of impulse is force into time, which is derived by using the acceleration formula, change in speed upon time, and force is equal to mass into acceleration. Through the illustrated example, we can see that force is exerted on the ball by someone kicking it, and t is the time of contact of the collision between the foot and the ball. The final velocity of the ball is v, and let's assume the ball was still before this kick. So initial velocity u is 0. Rearranging the impulse formula, we know that force is impulse upon time. So force is mass into change in velocity upon time. In terms of impact created, the greater the impulse of a mass when it collides, and the shorter the time this change of momentum takes, the greater the force it exerts. So, next time you find yourself procrastinating or being lazy, get back to your work as quickly as possible. The higher your velocity, the greater force you exert.